say. And the big count, is the little. Remember the woman just have the little shilling them and throw it in the offering and where God do. God bless her because I say it's the little where she have and out of that where she have, she throw. You know, if you say, me have this to my grandchildren or me have this to myself, and if me give away, me I go, you can't say that. You know, give out.
You can't, you have to just give the willing heart.
Yeah, man, because sharing is man, and that's all we need. Media Jamaica right now.
So, most of me ask a question. How you feel now, Auntie? How you feel now? How you feel? You feeling better? You not feeling well? How you feel?
I'm feeling much better than before because before I was very weak. I couldn't eat even a plate of food. I couldn't sweep anything. I couldn't even walk good. I usually, because of my foot, them usually swell and now me usually swell up. Me used to like, cause me they live on the hill at Portland, me usually have to walk back way if I go, cause the way my foot everything live from.
Oh God.
But no, me not have no swellings now. I just have the clot in my lungs because I have a blood clot in my lungs. And I have 2 large ovarian cysts.
Jesus.
And plus the ascites and the cancer. So it's 4 complications.
Cancer run in your family?
Huh?
Cancer run in your family?
No, no one in my family have cancer.
See that? And they say, who's ever hear them say sickness come from your generation?
You don't have to. Right now, let me tell you something that giving us cancer. What we eat, the lotion we use, the something we smell, food, you understand? Right now, them there was back in the days. But scientists get smarter and technology get better. Cancer just come. We see people sell meat with cancer in it. A lot of time we buy food at shop and cancer in the meat. And you think so them bush they cut it out themselves. We see them because them before them lose 1-2 pound and meat them rather give with cancer. So a lot of and then certain people they don't cook their meat, they eat it raw. So you know, but like I said, one of my friends sent me $150. They're gonna give it to her. One send me $30. They're gonna give it to her because I really need it myself, but back from God, if it's the right thing to do, you just do it. That's the thing, you know. If you forgive them because you're expecting to get back, it don't make sense you give. Don't give and look for nothing. Just give because you know that's the right thing. And as me say, me see a little girl yesterday, and me tag her and said, me go donate to her because her mother crippled since last year and she at 12-year-old. She's the neither one of me say me go donate to her. And it touched me out yesterday. She not go to school, she not on a laptop, she not have nothing. In a bar, I think it's one of these country, Barbados, and she have to stop at home and her little brother, them have to go work. She cook the food and it touched my heart so much yesterday. Me cry, me I say, me tag them, say, how can I donate to her? You understand? Because I look at these things and see how God have blessed me so much that not with materialized thing, but Him bless me with good children. They are healthy, me healthy. Me can food every day. Me have to say, you know, I'm so blessed. So, you know, so thought that counts. So, you know, so if you can make a difference, you make a difference. And for me, I always giving for me, it's peace and joy. For me to give, it's made my whole day comfortable, made my whole time comfortable. To know that said, I can give the less fortune. So that's me.
Right. Oh my God. Anything you know have people just give her. It could be $10, $20, whatever. You understand? One coke a full basket.
Yeah, man, she really need it, man. So that means say she don't have the money to pay the rent. Them I go put her out with the and she, but you see God, he never make him
We're teasing you theory now, Mama, don't prayer do work. And yesterday I was so sick. Just all week I was so sick. And today, look, I feel much better. Because as what me say, I do a test last week and I find out they say I have gallstone in the stomach. Because I always just have gas in the stomach hurt me. I never know what it is. That's why I be telling young girls, young boys, them on Instagram, Facebook, oh, my all good, my body good. How your body good, you have to go and take a checkup. When you take a checkup, then you can't say your body good and this good because you never know. You understand?
That's true, Susie. You see before me come to Jamaica,
it's true.
Me do a full body check up because me know in Jamaica, me not going to have them millions here for pay Jamaica. So before me come to England, me do a full body check up for 6 months. Me do head scan, me do body scan, me put my head on the machine. I put the whole of my body on the machine. Me do all kind of scan. Me do all kind of scan. Me do smear test. Me do blood test. Me do all kind of blood tests. All kind of tests. Come here, say.
That's what I did last week. It is true. So
before me come to Jamaica, me I say if anything, me rather know what me have so me can start it. And I know say England would be the better place because I know me I come to Jamaica to spend a while, so I know make sure say if I find myself have none of these problems, diabetes, anything, I would have stay in England where I can get assistance. You understand?
Right. Don't think that you're alone and go through sickness, mama. Everybody, because me could have just sit down and just say, I chew me eat late. Come always say, I chew me eat late, I chew me eat late, I chew me have to do this, I chew. Come here, tell a person, you wake up, me just run through the day and don't eat. And then when you reach late, me eat. Which is a bad thing, that's what give it to me. You know, bad eating, not the bad food, because the apple, they spray the food, they spray the apple them, they spray the orange them, the orange and the apple, they shine in the supermarket, they go over here. So when you eat them, you don't know where I go down. People say, oh, don't eat meat, and then so then, meat right now, me not depend on meat. Me not depend on. And it's affect me.
She need a little help.
So everybody out here, just put something. If you don't have even the cash now, you don't have the paper, not like that, we send you only and the money. She need it. She's a mother. Her daughter is so big. You touch her. I want to find a little girl. If I'm a little girl, oh God.
That 19 Wagwan. Certified. I can't help a liquor. Frenchy, what's up, baby? I could have been anyone with sister, daughter. I can't helping on. She have cancer, yeah? She have no help, no support. And no, listen, you need to just go everywhere and anywhere where you can get liquor help and support because, may I tell you, you see, once you go out to the Gleaner and the Star and all heap of people that talk about you, that will draw the Prime Minister himself have to come look for you. But you have
I was in Loop. I was in Loop News. They was following my story from a couple months ago.
Who?
But Loop is that big. Loop News.
Why you feel at Usain Bolt too? Go on Usain Bolt on Instagram, and go in them inbox. Lisa Anna, go in them inbox, Babsy Grange, go in Usain Bolt inbox and send him the video where you gonna make. The video where you make for we just send it to him.
Yeah.
Send the video in Auntie Dana inbox. Send her the video. Send the video in them inbox. And send the video in them inbox. If where you want. Send it in them inbox because it will touch heart. It will touch hope. You understand?
You know what I think? I have a lot of followers on Facebook. I got a lot of people on Facebook, Florida. I wanted to bring her on my Facebook Live. I'm gonna think about it if I bring her on my Facebook Live. If like all the dancehall people they throwing champagne on each other in a party, them could help out a sister were really sick and have a beautiful kids. I already know how cancer is. Cancer just make for everybody. You understand? Them could help her for the champagne. Let me talk about one of that can from here. I'm gonna try to set up that part. And just tell them to sell it to you.
Yeah, man. Even let me even send it to you, Susie, and you send it then. Because she said, no, she had somebody with cash up, so and them, she give them the cash up and you pin it. Because she need all the help she can get, you know. She need all the help. I rather people in
so what's the baby there? What the baby there, auntie? Can you hear me? What the baby?
I can't take care of her. My cousin, me give her to my cousin, because I can't manage her.
Oh, Jesus.
My God.
Oh my God. Puss was on your phone.
Me I tell you, say, you can't say this can't to you and it can't to your children and it can't. Sickness come take you any day, any time.
So you give your cousin the baby?
Till she get better, you understand?
To me, I say, the doctor did tell me, say, it can't cure, it can just treat me, say, in case anything for happen to me, at least me leave her, you know. To my cousin.
Jesus.
I know doctor them are going like them are God. When doctor said no, you know, God, you know, God stand up, you know.
Because the doctor him frightened me back there. Him frightened me when him tell me it's not.
And them kill people, them not give no hope. Them not give no hope because them go like them are God.
They don't. I'm afraid from England just find out that you have cancer and I don't know what, but she not have it no more. You might be lucky, mama. You and then don't. The more you think about it, you know with sickness. The more you think about the sickness, the more it break it down more.
That's why I try to stay happy.
Say yes. Nobody.
And listen to me, mama. You see anybody who come and try to judge you, just don't listen to them. Don't listen to them at all. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Be strong. Be strong. No matter what. We don't say a number one or number two. But if you look on thing, if you look on it, diabetes, all of them, HIV, everything are the same thing. Some might go before some. Yes. So are the same thing.
Yeah.
Susie make sure add Susie. That's zero for charger, yeah. So my battery I got dead. Add Susie so Susie we can go via live. When I add Susie, when name Amaya add Susie so Susie I got turn on her live after this dead. So she can go over there.
I don't know how.
No, go on her Instagram. Add her on Instagram now. So she can.
What's her name? What's her Instagram page?